Today, we're about to attempt what Bugatti think is impossible.
Can't do that in a garage. There's just a few places in the world with the right equipment and only a few people in the world with the right training to be able to do that.
This is the $6 million Bugatti Purport that was crashed by Alex. After he got paid out from insurance, he bought the car back and then called me to see if I could repair it.
Start getting your flights, mate.
And last time I was here, I got all the damaged body panels off the car, the windscreen out, and all of the deployed airbags. Everyone who's got an Audi A3, you have a Bugatti in the airbag. On top of that, I completely stripped the interior out. But then I found more damage. Oh. And this was bad. It looked like a huge crack in the gearbox on both sides, which completely threw a spanner in the works. And that damage could decide whether this car's repairable or not. Now, one thing Bugatti didn't think we were able to do is separate the front end of the car from the rear. There's only 2 places in the world that can do it. And today, we need to make sure there's 3. In order for us to inspect this damage that's on the gearbox and even see if it's repairable, we've got to remove the engine. And to do so on a Bugatti, it means we have to separate the back end of the car from the front. And after our previous video went out, Matty Rimek, the CEO of Bugatti, mentioned it wasn't possible to do in a garage.
But in a Chiron, there's so many electrical wires, piping, oil piping, water piping, fuel lines that connect from the monocoque to the rear section, and they have to split the car in half. You can't do that in a garage. There's just a few places in the world with the right equipment and only a few people in the world with the right training to be able to do that.
And as we already know, Bugatti aren't going to sell us parts to rebuild this car, and they're not going to help us separate the car in half for sure. So I'm left with no choice but to give this a go myself. I don't have any special tools or special training, so if we manage to pull this off, it for sure will be a huge achievement.